Located in Citrus Park, ULL find a cozy well-kept Florida home. This lovely 2-bedroom, 2-bath plus separate double-door office/den may be just what you're looking for. Walk up and find the home tucked in among a gorgeous hedge landscape. Enter the property to an open floor plan with plenty of natural light, highlighting the architectural details. The vaulted ceilings add volume to the living room, giving the space a fresh feel. Make your way to the dining room to see the space brightened by windows and a sliding glass door, which leads to a screened-in patio overlooking the relaxing private backyard. This property is walking distance from a shopping center and near to restaurants, movie theater, entertainment, shopping mall and hospitals. Easy access to Veterans Expressway for a quick drive to airport, downtown, amusement parks and beaches. Property has new fence and air conditioner system.